And heightened appeals this evening for greater transparency into major housing developments in the Shortwood Road, Acadia Drive areas of St. Andrew. It follows mounting concerns about plans to channel sewage pipes into what is being described as a problem-prone gully. But, as Kalisha Williams reports, the National Water Commission is assuring residents that the sewer system will actually benefit the community.
Workmen toiling in the scorching sun to finish this apartment building along Roseberry Drive in St. Andrew. But below them, tension is brewing.
There's one large development there. On the other side, there's another large development there. Where does the sewage go? Who is responsible for it?
On top of that, President of the Acadia Citizens Association, Horace Edwards, said a sewer system which runs from Shortwood Road is expected to be channeled into a gully beside this new development on Roseberry Drive.
Just behind me here, there's a large development that had been mothballed for a number of years, which has now come online. And it was decided that a sewage line should be run. The road should be dug up and a sewage line run from Shortwood Road straight to Constant Spring Road. But for some apparent reason, the relevant authorities, whether it be NWA, NWC, KSAMC, NEPA, decided that instead it should turn onto Roseberry Drive and then head down into a gully to Old Church Road.
So the residents told me they're not concerned about the development itself. They're concerned about what they described as the lack of communication from the relevant authorities. For instance, how the drainage and sewage infrastructure will function.
Because a gully is not designed for sewage. A gully is designed to take away excess water. And we have had a number of problems of the gullies being blocked with debris, and then to add another sewage line in there, that is just asking for trouble, particularly when the debris comes down, big boulders, etc. come down and could break the sewage line and result in sewage being spilled on the floor of the gully, resulted in mosquito-borne diseases, etc.
How can you put sewer pipes in a gully that is curved and undulating? That's a concern to me. And if that is what our technocrats are doing, I am very concerned. I am a professional in practice, and I know a number of architects and a number of engineers, and there are things that we have to take responsibility for the safety of the neighborhood and the environment.
We unsuccessfully tried to get a response from the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. However, the National Water Commission, NWC, has oversight for the sewage system. Acting Corporate Public Relations Manager at the NWC, Delano Williams, explained that taking the sewage system through the gully is the best route based on the assessment of the technical team.
They will be not just installing it in the gully, but they will be taking some steps to secure it in what is called the verge. Basically where the surface and the sides of the gully meet, they will be securing it there, and every foot there will be steel reinforcements with an overlay of concrete to ensure that the pipes do not shift.
Mr. Williams said the layout of the gully is also not an issue because the PVC pipes will simply follow the contours of the gully. Furthermore, he's assuring residents that they will actually benefit from the development.
We will have the necessary engagement just to allow persons to appreciate that the network is now here. You can, for instance, decide to retire your existing soakaway systems, and which provides significant real estate value to them, and then they can now connect into the central sewage mains that are now being installed in close proximity to them.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.